Multiple options. Available in a variety of bolt patterns, axle ratings and sizes to fit your needs. Fully assembled. Comes with bearing cones, seal and grease already installed. Wheel size 13-inch to 15-inch. Bolt pattern 5/4. 5-inch. Stud size -1/2 inch. Durable. This industry standard hub is constructed from solid iron. Compatibility. Designed for trailer idler axles. Please reference your original equipment label before purchasing. Replace with Lippert. Lippert helps you take the guesswork out of getting your RV back on the road with exact match parts designed for your RV. Nobody wants to sit at home, missing a fun weekend of camping, because their RV equipment isn't functioning like it should. That's why at Lippert, we help you take the guesswork out of replacement parts by providing direct replacement components that will get your rig up and running like usual. Our replacement brake hub assemblies will help get your RV's trailer brakes back in business. They are made to fit various hub sizes and axle capacities for many applications. The hub assembly comes with bearing cones, seal, and grease already installed. A 1-year warranty comes standard. Confirm the bolt pattern, axle rating, and other dimensions before purchasing. If you have questions, consult your original equipment manufacturer. This is a replacement brake hub assembly for RVs. Please reference your original equipment label before purchasing. Be sure to inspect and maintain your brakes periodically. Worn-out brakes can lead to axle failure. Whether you're on the road or on the water, Lippert supplies a broad array of premium RV, towing, and marine products designed to enhance all of your recreational pursuits. Our team is committed to always thinking about your next journey, pushing the possibilities of our products and services, all to better your time spent outdoors, whenever, wherever, for years to come. Top reviews from the United States. Perfect fit for Grand Design 2600RB with the Lippert 3,500 pounds axles. I took my time cleaning with brake cleaner spray on the spindle and brake area after removing the stock hub that had a bad inner bearing. This Lippert hub comes pre-lubed and everything. Just don't put the hub on the ground and be sure to protect the outer bearing on when you put the hub on the spindle. Probably a good idea to put some cardboard under the area you are working at to keep it clean. Keep in mind it is a nice assembly, but there are other parts you must reuse like the castle nut and washer over the outer bearing. You also should probably buy a new cotter pin. They're cheap here on Amazon. In total, putting the new part on including pre-cleaning took me a little under an hour. Would definitely buy again if needed.